Hello there and welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Nicole Ramos and today I'm going to show you a very special sushi sauce. Here are the ingredients. Okay, we have 5 ounces of firm tofu. You can also use soft or medium. This is just the one I prefer using. We have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is fresh. 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. 1 tablespoon of tahini paste, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, ½ an inch of ginger root, 2 cloves of garlic, ½ a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and here we have 4 teaspoons of soy milk. And that's that. We're going to go ahead and place all of these lovely ingredients into the blender and whiz it up into a very smooth paste or sauce. I actually used to work at a Japanese restaurant once upon a time, and I used to make sushi there and maki rolls and all of that lovely stuff. And there was this sauce that they had there that everyone loved. They used to say, "What's in this sauce?" And so did I. We didn't used to make this store in-house. So after I left and felt like I missed the sauce, this is the closest I managed to get to it. And I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it up now on high speed because we've got that ginger, which is quite hairy. You know, it's got loads of fibrous, and we've got the garlic too. So let's go. Okay, now my sauce is very nice and smooth. Now my favorite part is just opening the blender and getting that whiff. The garlic and the ginger and the sriracha. Absolutely delicious. So, before I start pouring here, can you see this little contraption? It's a jar or a cup, whatever you want to use, and a Ziploc bag. If you have one of those piping bags, that might be best too. I don't have one of those right now. Or even better, a plastic tube that you can just squeeze your sauce out of. That would be even better. But this works too. Okay, so we're gonna just pour our sauce into there. And you could also just put this into a jar. The reason I'm putting it into the Ziploc bag is that I want to pipe it onto my sushi before I close it. But if you want to use the sauce for anything else, be my guest. It's really delicious. You can use it for your fresh rolls too. It works. Okay, so you're gonna just close your Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge until you're ready to use it for your sushi. Once you're ready, you're going to just snip the tip here and pipe it onto your sushi. If you're interested in how to make a delicious brown rice sushi, click on somewhere on this page and you will see. It's one of my other videos. I think you will love it. Okay, see you next time.